Hi everyone and welcome. So in this video I will show you how to have one of the best build out there. So the steps are quite easy. All you have to do is first of all, once you open your coded software on your device, click on settings icon. Once you click on it, it brings you down here. So once you get here, click on the systems option, click on systems, then navigate to add-ons, click on add-ons, then go to unknown sources. Make sure you enable it, click yes. So after that, click on the back button on your remote. Once you get here, click on file manager and click on add source, then click on none. And at this point, make sure you enter this URL exactly the way it is. This will enable you to have this device, this is build on your device. So this is the URL. Slash Diggz repo 1. Then click OK. You can change the enter a name for this media source. You can change the name to any name you like. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna leave it like that. Click OK. Click OK. Then click back the back button. Once you get to this point, click on add-ons, and then click on install from zip file. Then click on Diggz repo. Then click on Diggz-repo.zip. And then wait for it to finish the installation and prop up the. Okay, as you can see from the screen, it's already done installation. So click on install from repository. Click on Diggz repo. Click on program add-ons. Click on chef wizard. Click on install. And then click OK. So at this point now, this will allow you to have this build installed. As you can see, it's already installing. After installation, we're gonna move to the next level, which is the proper installation. And we're gonna continue our process. So while waiting for this, a VPN is very important when accessing coding or using accessing content recording. So it's recommended you should get a VPN for privacy and all that. So get a VPN. Subscribe to this channel if you are new. And then let's continue. Click, and then once you have done with this, click on it. Click open. And then it brings you to this menu. You see the list of menus here. You will see the settings. See settings. You see the videos. See this notification. You see the authorized debris. Then see maintenance. There's a maintenance menu. And then this is the proper build menu. Click on it. So these are the builds you can find within this wizard, which is check wizard. So you can choose any of this build to have in your device. So you have the Diggz AIO free or debris, and then DMO simple estuary. I have the DMO simple estuary server server 2. I have the mix build. I have the mix build server 2. One thing about this server this chef wizard is that each of this build has two servers, server 1 and server 2. Just in case if server 1 doesn't work, server 2 will work. So that's it. So let's pick up one of this build and have it on our device. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna pick the best build here we found within Chef Wizard, which is the mix build. So we're gonna check it out. Let's click on it, and then you see this wizard is ready to install a build. Your current setup will be released. So once you see this message, once you click on continue, every other build within this wizard will be installed, will be removed. You can click continue, you can click cancel. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna click on continue, and then so this build didn't go. So let's check out the second one, which is the let's check out the second server, and then maybe this server will allow us to have this. Okay, the first server didn't go, and this second server allowed us. One thing you have to know that this is a very large build. The size is kind of much. This is 430 MB, so it's gonna take it's going to take quite a lot of time to finish the installation. Stick around while the installation is going on. So this is how to have this build, and trust me, this is one of the best build out there you can have in your device. It works perfectly well. I've tested it, and I assess content with it, and it's perfect. So once you have this on your device, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Every comment section, every comment made on the comment section will be attended to. Trust me. Let me know your thoughts about this build. Let me know what you feel. Share it with your friends that are into coding. And let me know what you think about this build. So as it's going, I have to let us wait for it to finish installation so that we can proceed to the next level. So guys, it's already installed. So at this point, you have to click OK to first close coding. So this is how to have this build on your device. Let me know your thoughts about this build on your comment section. See you guys in the next one.